Today I'm taking a look at the Nightstand. Got plastic corner protectors on here, so that's nice. I like seeing that. Everything is nicely labeled, so I like seeing that. Got our power supply. Okay, so the instructions look good. Everything is well labeled on here and tells you exactly how to do it. Okay, so first thing is we're going to take D and E, which are the sides. That's nice. They actually already have the slides for the shelves already mounted. So there's D, and we're going to put in these pegs. Not supposed to use impact tools whenever you're doing this, but I'm lazy, so that's what I'm doing. So that's D and E, and we're going to attach C to that. Yeah, nice that they got everything fully wrapped. You gotta worry about getting all scratched up. So you can see everything's labeled. It even tells you where it goes on the nightstand. So very cool labeling. And we're gonna use the cams to lock it in. So that's the first page done. Now we're going to find B, and we'll put 6 pegs in that. You can see this slot in the back. That needs to match up with this slot right here. And we'll cam those in just the same way. And F is our back plate. Nice tight fit. I want it so the sticker is facing toward me, and this hole is at the top for the power cord. So now we're going to take A. I'll be kind of careful with this one because it has our electronics in it. So when we put this one on, we want to make sure that this cord is running out that back hole. So I'll do that first. Make sure we're not pinching any of these cords. And then we can cam those in. Okay, I'm going to set this over to the side for now, and we're going to make our 2 shelves. Yeah, I like that they have the slides already attached. It's nice. So it's going to look something like this. So all these are going to be next to each other. That is a pretty cool looking handle. I mean, it's definitely metal, so that's cool. It uses these fine threaded bolts. Okay, so that's one. Let's do another one just like that. Okay, and that is 2. So now we're going to attach the feet. Cool. It's actually got a nice feel to it. Okay. And then the last thing is we're going to take these little wedges, and we're going to screw those into the corners. So that is just going to help to make that a tight seal, so it's not going to be vibrating even if there's like a plane going overhead. I like when they give us extra hardware left over, so even if we drop something, we'll still be able to finish it. Ooh, that is cool. We'll take these stickers off. That's good. So they're no residue type. But yeah, that is actually a very neat look. It's elegant, but it's subtle. So let's see what the color thing does. Oh, that's cool. So there's a color wheel on the top, and when I move my finger around it, it just kind of changes to that color. That's actually really cool. So I can customize that and make it however the heck I want. And then I can turn it on and off. And then we have the sensing function. So if I turn that on, whenever I get close to the thing, it'll turn on. And then when I walk away from it, it'll turn off. So it's nice having that. So now let's make sure that the wireless charging works. And it works. We got wireless charging. And on top of that, we even have wired charging. So we got USB-A and we got a USB-C port. So you can put our phone on here. And then if we got something else that we need to charge, we can just plug it in right there. That is pretty awesome. And if nothing else, I really just like the colors that this thing produces. That is cool. All right. So yeah, that is a beautiful nightstand. I'm very happy with that.